wheels and stuff. Not the wheels, but the brake drums. I already know the wheels are not that good.
Do you know where we're going?
Yes.
The map, right?
Yeah. So we'll record more when we get there. Hi.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. Okay.
Scared me. Smacked my finger into the other thing because I was trying to get this in there. Then I dropped this and then I had to get down on the ground to get it. I smacked my knee into a rock, so now my finger and my knee hurt. So, and I can't get it. I took off the extension to try and get it under that one cord thing to get the thing, and it just doesn't fit in there. I don't know how to do that.
Okay.
Hands, but this thing, I keep doing this, and I swear I've been doing it forever.
And then one normal Oreo chocolate shake. Oreo shake.
Taking a break. Got Oreo.
It's been a while since I've had an Oreo shake.
And she's sitting in her she's sitting in her seat. But actually, that'll be the passenger seat. So.
Well, I'll probably sit in it too.
Why? Who else is gonna drive your car?
Well, you might, like when I first like start.
Oh, yeah.
At the beginning.
Probably when we come and pick it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Jerry?
Turn off this fender.
What are you doing, Claire?
Trying to get this one, and it's stuck now.
It's stuck now?
It was stuck a second ago.
Let me hold the fender.
It was stuck a second ago. Why are you stuck now?
Probably because it's being pinched because the fender's up.
Ow, I keep smacking my finger onto it.
Here, let me put the fender down for a second. Your dad just said, ooh, like something's wrong.
Come check out this joint. Boot.
The boot?
Yeah. Well, unless it's just really dirty. That connection? Oh, it's okay. The boot's fine.
Good. You look good.
Okay.
So, since you got yours off, Dad, can you kind of try and get this last bolt off for me?
Uh-oh. Someone's calling in the big guns.
Alright. Which one is it?
It's over here.
Right by the one.
I took the top one off because I forgot I still had this one here behind the box.
It's right here? Ooh.
It's behind the box.
Behind the box.
Like to this side of the box.
Okay. Let me see.
Look at him.
Hi.
He's a kitty.
Good look at Claire with the
Look at the
cat.
kitty. Oh, look at you.
He's like, I'm not amused.
I'm not here for your entertainment.
I don't want you to fall. That would not be good for your health.
Okay.
Here. Oh. Careful.
Okay. Look at the camera. Say goodbye.
You do, kitty.
Okay, we just took out that engine, and Claire took off almost all of the fenders.
I took off them all using a couple bolts.
And transmission looks like it's going to be okay. we may end up having to replace the throwout bearing, maybe. And yeah, probably the engine mounts probably would need to be replaced too. At least where, you know, the transmission is, where that'll help. While we have everything apart, it's probably a good idea. So that was fun. We're on our way home. Claire did a bunch of stuff today. Tell them what you did.
I took off some tires.